This is Vicky Lynn bringing you another random thought. I almost died. Fuck Rockford, Illinois. Fuck you, you dirty bastard. Y'all got money for a motherfucking roundabout? But y'all can't put no salt down on your streets?
No salt.
I spun around 3 times. And what makes it all so much worse is Rihanna was playing in my goddamn radio. SSMM. Stop repeating shit, you dumb bitch. I think you're the reason I was spinning around in circles. Repeating shit. I almost died. And I was real calm. My insides were screaming, bitch, we spinning. But I was saying, and we're spinning. And we're spinning. And we're spinning. And you know what? God is good. Because we left and the car kept messing up. And I was like, Katner, do you not know how to drive in the wintertime? And she was like, it's not me, it's the car. I'm like, whatever, give me the keys. I got this. And as soon as we get out the driveway, what happened? I spun around 3 times. It wasn't her, it was the car. I apologize. So, yeah, Rockford, Illinois.
Suck it.
It's Sunday, but the weather still comes, you bastard. The weather don't take a day off, you dumb sons of bitches.
Dumb sons of bitches.
I almost killed myself. I could have died listening to Rihanna. Now I want to beat her ass. I'm sorry. I should never condone domestic violence. But Chris Brown, if you're watching, I know you're not watching, but if somebody say, hey, somebody said your name in a video and you watch it, slap that hoe again for me and tell her it was foreplay because she like SSMM. Peace.